Can you unblock unknown calls on iPhone? In order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings page, scroll down and move into focus. Now move into do not disturb at the very top of the screen. In this page, you should see the option of access to. If you could see the option of contact access, then simply select that option and then set it to all. Once done, now go back to the settings page and move into apps. In this page, search for the application phone. Once found, you need to click on it. In this page, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see the option where it says silence unknown callers. Click on it. Well, if this option is turned on your device, then simply turn it off. Now the call that you receive from unknown numbers will not be silenced, and you will be able to hear the notifications as well. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.